all the way up there.
E85 at the spot, getting some gas real quick. What is going on? We're back. It's been a while, haven't uploaded in forever, but
My car is dirty.
yeah, it is dirty. But we figured to start uploading again, doing a lot more. Heading out to Mexico tonight with the Jason 135i. You know, nothing fancy. He's going ahead and filling up real quick. DSG. This is a fun little car. I've been thinking about getting one. But yeah, heading out to Mexico. We're gonna see what it's all about. Hopefully get some races in with Jason. And we'll see. Oh yeah, I see people over there. Oh yeah, there we go. Lots of people. Oh yeah. I know. Hey.
Some of those scare me. I feel like you're gonna pop the hood. It's be twin turbo, 700 horsepower, spot turbo.
Alright. I hear VTEC. Got looks like two Camaros about to run. This should be interesting. Alright, found a run for Jason against the Camaro that just ran on. Should be a good little run for him. Said it's a tuned straight pipe. Got Jason 135i. Watch them roll. I think we got another race setting up down there too. It looks like a G37 and a Civic. And these two are gonna run. They're ready as soon as they're done. They're gonna do a 20 roll. The BMW and the Camaro 20 roll. See how these guys do. Looks like he's got about half a car on him. Ooh, good backfire. It was a 350 actually. I thought it was a G37 from the headlights when it pulled out. Nope. 350. Looks like it took it on the Civic one. I'm not sure. Alright, these two are going now. Looks like Jason got out. Jason's still pulling. He has about a car and a half. What'd y'all do?
20 roll.
But I kind of got out of it like around here because the fucking cars are coming. Yeah, I saw that. I got it. Alright, Jason got another run after the Camaro. Looks like a red Scat Pack, 2020 Scat Pack. He said it's stock. I think maybe it has the stock cutouts, not sure. And Jason, stock with tune for the most part. See how he does. Alright, we got a truck and a Civic or something. Charger. Not bad. Alright, Jason versus Cat Pack. See how this one goes. Doing a roll. Look like Jason by the car. Not bad at all. Running back again. Jason 2-0 for the night. Looks like they're doing another roll, running it back. Close one right there. Alright, we got a Camaro and a Charger now. Camaro pulling. Nice. Alright, everyone's heading out. Apparently the cops are coming. Yeah, they all go that way. We're gonna go this way. Leave it to Jason to try and find someone to play with. God damn! Holy shit! You should not be walking all-wheel drive vehicles from a dig, sir. God damn. Sell it! What's going on? A lot of light flicker. There's a pussy. But thanks for watching. Got a lot of good races in tonight. We found an STI at the end of the night there. He got blessed by Jason. Kind of surprised. I don't know if the STI was actually trying, but he rolled his window down and was like, let's go. So he did that. Jason got a couple good runs in. I definitely want to do this more often, get some more content rolling out. I do plan on doing all the meet the scene videos again. Have a lot more of that type of content lined up. I have some people that are ready to shoot some videos. Definitely much higher quality than they used to be. A lot more motivated now. I'm also going to be starting a second channel dedicated to my fitness. Been a whole lot more of that. I've lost a lot of weight compared to what I used to be, like almost 300 pounds. So I definitely want to start doing that. Kind of show my journey, document that, because I'm proud of myself on that part. And if other people want to follow that, they can. So I'm going to probably link that down below. I don't know when I'm going to start that, but it is definitely on the platter to be served. And I think that's it. So appreciate for watching. If you enjoy the content, drop a like, subscribe. There will be a whole lot more. I'm going to drop all of the socials for the people I know that raced tonight and all that down in the bottom. And thanks for watching, man.